Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel for Strive Wealth Builders. Happy New Year. This is the beginning of 2022, and I am so looking forward to a great year. And I'm happy to present Strive Wealth Builders to you, and I hope that you will join us as we take our journey through 2022. Today, we will be talking about setting your 2022 real estate investing goals. How important is that at the beginning of the year? So let's talk about that a little bit. Before I get started, please let me introduce myself to those that are new to our platform. My name is Detra Harris, and I'm the Managing Director for Strive Wealth Builders. We are a business club, aka RIA, located in the San Francisco Bay Area. Please visit our website at strivewealthbuilders.com. Join today. There's no membership fee. We'd love to have you as a part of our membership. I want to thank our YouTube subscribers for joining us today, as well as our club members. If you are not a subscriber to our YouTube channel, please click now. We'd love to have you subscribe today. So let's get into this. Now, why is it important to set your real estate investment goals? Well, that's how you ensure that you are growing and that you are practicing your real estate business, and you are ensuring that your skill set is increasing every day. There's so much to learn in this business. There's no way that you would be bored on any day. So let's start with first is vision. So what I strongly suggest that you do when you're starting out for your new year and setting your real estate investment goals is to have a vision. You want to visualize what's going to happen for you this year. Now we want to make sure that we're very realistic. We want to make sure that our goals are measurable. So don't over exaggerate in terms of what you feel that you can do for this year. We're only going to focus on one year, and that year is 2022. So, some of the tips I want to give you in doing that is to set your goals to business goals and two personal goals. Now, I'm only going to discuss your business goals in this video, but let's keep in mind that we also need to set personal goals. So, again, we want to keep it realistic. That's why I strongly suggest only have two goals for your business goals that you want to accomplish this year and two personal goals. So, let me give you a few examples of that. Now, for us at Strive Real Estate, we have set our goals to be this year for 2022. We want to close 5 real estate deals. So that's our goal. Then we want to be specific. So after you say to yourself, well, I vision myself, say for instance, if you are a fixer, I vision myself to close 5 fix and flips deals this year. Now, let me be more specific. What does that look like? We're going to talk about financial planning. What is my goal to, am I looking for cash flow or appreciation? Am I looking for a certain ARV? So you want to be really, really specific with your goal planning. So for instance, if, for us, our niche is multifamily. So we're going to buy apartment buildings this year. It's on our goal list to purchase 2 apartment buildings that's core plus with a cash flow at least 65% occupancy rate. Then second, we're going to develop 3 homes for low income families. And so that's our goals, and that completes closing 5 deals for us this year. And then we go into even more detail, what we call due diligence. Now, I don't have enough time in this video for that, but some point during this year, I'd love to help you work out your due diligence process. Next, you want to make sure that you track your progress. and you want to do that periodically. So I suggest having some type of goal planner that could be electronically on your phone that you can keep track of your goals. You can have a notebook that you keep track of your goals, a spreadsheet that you will track your goals, or whatever works for you to track your goals. And I suggest looking at that quarterly or every 6 months to see where you are. A lot of times you have to make adjustments also with your planning to make sure you meet your goals. So that's what I strongly suggest that you do. Also, you want to share your accomplishments with someone. Hopefully, that will be me. As you complete your goals and you cross over those thresholds and milestones, please send me an email. Let me know your progress. I'd love to be your accountability partner, and you can help me as well with my goals. In addition to that, I want you to make sure that you reward yourself. You have to reward yourself. Now, that doesn't mean spend all that cash flow that you're making this year, but at least set a small goal for yourself that you're going to treat yourself when you close a deal. What are you going to do for you? Will it be a massage for the day, pampering, a nice dinner for yourself, a trip somewhere, whatever you like to do for yourself? Make sure you reward yourself after you complete each goal. So get to work, start setting those goals for this year. I'm going to do the same, and let's come back together in the next 6 months and share our progress with where we are. Love to know exactly what's going on in your life in real estate. So keep me tuned, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great year.